ready?
Yep.
There. Drop this side.
Nice.
Oh, that was
There
too
it
easy,
goes.
man.
There it goes.
Chop this up. Good.
Nice.
We'll stay, let's go on your belly. Here. There you go, got it. Get a soft cushion table.
Yeah, it is. Almost too soft.
Yeah, especially for the T-spine. Breath in and out. There you go. You're a little taller than I am. Let's go on your side, will face me. Slide your out of it. It's a pretty wide table too. Yep. So I'm gonna roll you forward. Good.
There you go.
You okay?
Yep.
Put your head on the table just a little bit. There you go. One more time.
Got it the first time.
Didn't hear it.
I'm gonna kick these off?
Oh, that's okay. I'm gonna go right through it. Just come in. I'm just gonna relax your head. Relax your head.
Nice.
Good. Nice job.
Thank you, brother. Yeah, that was awesome. Thank you, bro.
Thanks.
You wanna do him?